Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't come across me before, my name's Anuja. I'm a Sri Lankan YouTuber that does videos on music, beauty and lifestyle. So if you like the look of my videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 makeup products, and one of them is going to be a bronzer and the other 2 are going to be blush. I wasn't really sure how this was going to turn out, but I was pleasantly surprised, and I hope that this is helpful if you guys are looking for new products. So let's get into it. The first product I'm going to show you guys is the BareMinerals Bounce and Blur Blush in the color Blurred Buff. Quite a mouthful. Now, I've never actually used BareMinerals products properly, so this is the first time I'm exposed to them. It's kind of that perfect intermediate between powder and liquid blush, and this color is so beautiful. There were other colors within the range, but I feel like with my skin color, I need it to have that coral or peachy brown tone. And this just nails it. The way that I love to use this is actually with a makeup sponge. So I just wet it slightly and then bounce it on the product. And the great thing about this technique is you have great control over how much product goes on your skin. When you put this on your skin, it's so weightless. And it really does have that blurring effect that just reduces the look of the pores and imperfections you may have, and it blended beautifully with my makeup underneath as well. Because of the formula, you can actually use your fingers to put the product on as well. It's not a matte blush. It does have very fine, pearly, crushed glitter within it, but it's so subtle that you can actually get away with using this on a day look. And you can see that it gives a beautiful, soft, peachy brown blush color onto my cheeks that looks natural and radiant. Next product is by Ilia. It's the Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment, and this is in the color Waking Up, which is a beautiful mauve warm nude color. It's a tiny tube, but it packs a punch. Initially, when I got the product out of the tube, I actually had this feeling that it was going to be sticky, but boy was I wrong, because it glides on the skin like butter. So the way that I love using this is actually putting 2 dots on my skin from the metal applicator and then using my fingers to just spread that out and make it look natural. You can use as little or as much as you want. It's actually very comfortable for all day wear. Now this has more of a pinky element to it, which is something my skin usually doesn't like. I don't know what it is about this pigment. It may have something to do with the fact that it's very silky, it looks very natural, that it just blends into the skin. And it just goes beautifully with warm skin tones. And to be honest, I'd imagine this goes well with lighter or slightly darker colours as well. The last product I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the colour Deep. Now the packaging is so beautiful, and when you open it up you have a big mirror and it comes with a brush. But the product, you guys, the product is so beautiful. It's the perfect chocolate brown colour that I'm always in the lookout for. Now this is of course slightly in the high-end category, but you know, sometimes you just have to treat yourself. Looking at it on the website, I actually wasn't expecting it to be this gorgeous brown colour. I thought it was going to be slightly lighter, but I'm just so glad that I got the darkest colour. I kind of mix the whole contour process and bronzing process together. Apart from my cheeks, I do love using products like these along my hairline but also my jawline. And it just frames the face and gives you this overall slim, summery look. It does have a matte finish, but at the same time, I don't know how they achieve it. It is still so silky and natural looking, which has been quite a theme with all these products. Well, after all those beautiful products, I'm gonna enjoy the afternoon with a cup of tea. Please do like the video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Love you guys as always. Be happy, be kind, and spread love. I'll see you with another video very soon. Bye guys.